All right, and away we go. Looking at this, you can see the rainfall continues to track into the region slowly but surely. As it does, though, we take a gander here. There's that area of low pressure that's pretty much centered over the Twin Cities right now, and that's going to be making its way into our forecast as we finish out the morning and possibly kind of swirling back again and brushing us by the early evening hours. So not much happening in the afternoon. This has a mix of rain and snow up to the north there, with the rainfall coming up from the south and working its way into the area, through the area, I should say, as you can see, kind of getting a little bit closer to it as you go right across the Mississippi River right now. Highs for today, well, this is what we're looking at. Temperatures in the 40s widespread to the low 50s in the forecast. So we're still on the cooler side right now, but we'll get you there as we get into tomorrow. We'll get back into the mild. You're holding on to that mix of rain and snow over the area. You can see there's pretty much still a ridge associated with that as well, kind of kicking out of the area. So that's why our temperatures have bumped up maybe a few degrees as we were. Yesterday we were all in the low 50s. Now we're seeing some upper, or I should say some mid 50s expected today. We'll see this continue on as we go through most of the morning hours, trailing with a lot of this still holding at the drier side here, still holding on to some of that moisture to our west and snow to our east. And then we get back into the 3 o'clock hour. You see some rainfall kind of sliding down, working its way right into the evening commute as well, right up there by Eau Claire and up by Minneapolis. Then it begins to fade slowly but surely as it gets closer to us here. So some of that may not hit the ground, but it is near La Crosse, getting right back to areas right into Winona as well, and then kind of fades out going southward towards Decorah, and then that's pretty much it. Drier conditions come back in. No more rainfall that we've been looking at coming back again for tomorrow morning by sunrise. The rain tracker is going to show us as we cut in from the 5 o'clock hour all the way to the noon hour, about a quarter of an inch or less in some cases, down to the south about a tenth of an inch or less. You can see some of that more to the east also as it fills in. You can see a tenth of an inch or less in some locations. Not much here for us in the bucket, unfortunately. Highs for today, well, or I should say for tomorrow, you're looking at temperatures from mid to upper 50s in the forecast to near 60 degrees. We are getting there. Snow amounts, as you can see also as we finish out going into today, going into tomorrow, I should say today, finishing out for the evening, maybe till about 1 o'clock. You're looking at meager conditions, maybe an inch or less, definitely maybe a trace possibly in some cases. For tomorrow, though, this is what we've got. We've got some cloud cover, then some sunshine on the way, and then we'll pick up those clouds coming back again with increasing clouds. So we'll go up to at least mostly cloudy skies, as you can see, for Eau Claire, becoming partly cloudy and then increasing clouds possibly again as we get into the evening. Highs continue to warm up. You can see as we get deeper into Sunday, warmer conditions ensue, and eventually we'll see a little bit of rainfall sneaking in as we get into Sunday, getting back into the evening hours, and that takes out of the way. You can see that rainfall continues to move. Let's take a quick peek as we get into the next 8 days, though. I just want to show you this real quick so you can see something that's changed on us, though. We go from 53 to 58, 66 to 69. We lost our 70-degree mark because of that added rainfall in the forecast. Back to you.